Alright, back up here at the Lakeland Police Office, try this again. This is Wednesday the 15th. See if we can get them today. I have a public records to pick up.
What do you need?
It's a dash cam.
Okay, you get those from Property and Evidence.
I've already requested this.
Okay.
I'm here to pick up.
Oh, okay, so they called you and told you it was ready?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Christopher Wilson. It's right there.
That should be $2. Just hit yeah. Okay, so total. And then did he give you $2? Or you can just do the cash. But if you get used to hitting $2 cash, you'll
Fine training.
Here you receipt.
Thank you.
You're all set.
Alright, you have a good day. So we got them. We're going to be looking at these today. One is for my lawyer, one is for me. Alright, you guys. Good job. Good job. They actually had them ready. I mean, they should have had them ready for me when I could come down here. But I had a little time this morning, Got court in this beautiful city. Bring these guys to justice. These guys don't come out here and die every day for no one. They do it for the honor. Yeah, you feel me? And a half mast because we had an officer die. I don't know the details about that. If you guys want, mention it in the comments down below, and we'll get the story behind that. Got his memorial over there. This is our lovely building. It's pretty beautiful. Alright, that'll be all, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, keep your updates on.